pages 15 and 16. Did you know scientists identify living things by sorting them into smaller and smaller groups, starting with kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, and species? To classify, this is under our words to know section, classify means to put things in groups based on what they have in common. For example, classifying your chocolates or your candy into groups of chocolate, lollipops, chewy candy, gum, whatever it is. When scientists classify living organisms, they separate them into groups based on things they have in common. They might classify organisms based on the way they look, or they might classify them based on common life cycles. You can tell that animals are different from plants. Animals can move and think. Plants can take energy from the sun and turn it into food. This is a process called photosynthesis. So scientists divide plants and animals into two different groups. These groups are called kingdoms. Beginning with these two main kingdoms, scientists then break things down even more. Animals can be classified as mammals or birds, for example. And plants can be classified depending on whether they have wood bark or green stems. More words to know. Fungi, the plural for fungus. Bacteria are tiny organisms found in animals, plants, soil, and water. The cell is a small unit of a living thing. What else is there? There are other kingdoms besides plants and animals. The fungus kingdom includes mushrooms. These are different from plants because they don't have roots or perform photosynthesis. Other organisms in the fungus kingdom are mildew and mold. Mold is the green or white stuff that grows on old bread. Ugh. If you went diving deep in the ocean, you might see oysters, sponges, and shrimp. Each of these organisms belong to a different group within the animal kingdom. And see those beautiful pink and orange rocks over there? Those aren't really rocks. They're living creatures called coral. Yep, you guessed it, another family entirely. Did you know, hundreds of years ago, scientists only classified organisms into two main groups, plants and animals? Now there are more main groups, including fungi, bacteria, and tiny critters with only one cell. Your job is to answer, which kingdom do you think humans belong to? Plant kingdom, animal kingdom, fungi, bacteria, or cell kingdom?